Hi everyone, I am going to teach physics and chemistry of intermediate, which will be very important in your career. So I will be teaching alternate days physics and next chemistry. Today I will teach physics, tomorrow I will teach chemistry. So if you want online classes, you can directly contact me. I will give my number in the description. Okay. So today I am starting physics, which is the most important and very mark scoring subject. And in physics, the first basic and the important topic is kinematics. If you can understand today's class, you can understand the entire physics. Okay, so first, what is kine? Kine means motion. That means our kinetic energy. Next, matics means maths, dealing with this. Okay, the kinematics will have motion in 1 dimension, 2 dimensions and 3 dimensions. So coming to motion in 1 dimension, this is the linear motion in a straight line. Next is rectilinear motion, continuously in a straight line. Next is 2-dimension motion, that is circular motion. Next is projectile motion. So this is the projectile motion. Coming to 3-dimension, this you can get a complete example in chemistry part. It is gases which will move randomly in 3 dimensions like x, y and z. Okay. This is about motion in 1 dimension, 2 dimension and 3 dimensions. So coming to the important terms that you need to understand in physics, mostly in kinematics. As this is the basics, you need to understand in these terms, you should have knowledge in these terms. So first is distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. So what is distance and what is displacement? A person is moving on his bike from A to B. He can move in this way or he can travel in this way. He can travel in this way also. This is distance and this is also the distance. So what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance. In this 3, which is the shortest distance? So this is the shortest distance. Okay. This is called displacement. That is the shortest distance from A to B. We have to mention like from A to B, but not in between A and B. Okay. So never distance is shorter than displacement. Distance may be equal to displacement or longer than displacement, but never distance is shorter than displacement. Distance is never shorter than displacement. Okay, this is the two terms, distance and displacement. So what is speed and what is velocity? So coming to speed, the formula to calculate speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. So what is speed? A person is moving on his motorcycle with a speed of 30 km per hour. So this is the speed, 30 km per hour. That is distance and time. So this is speed. Then what is velocity means? A person is moving on his motorcycle with a speed of 30 km per hour due north. Means this is velocity. Whenever there is direction is also mentioned, then it is velocity. Without direction, it is speed. That means velocity is a vector quantity, speed is a scalar quantity. So whenever they mention the direction, it is velocity. If they do not mention the direction, it is the speed. Okay. Next, coming to acceleration. So what is acceleration? Acceleration means when velocity exists, acceleration also exists. Simply. So a person is traveling in a car is moving 60 km per hour. Here the direction is changed, but same 60 km per hour. It means here the acceleration exists or not exist. Here the acceleration exists because a person is traveling in a car which is moving in this direction, and next the direction has changed. Here, while you are changing the direction, your body just moves. That is acceleration. Suppose if you are initially at rest, you started moving, then your body is pushed forward. That means it is acceleration. That means you are accelerating. Or when you apply a brake, you will be pushed forward. That means here also you are accelerating. That is acceleration. So here you got the terms distance, displacement, speed, velocity and acceleration. Displacement is the shortest distance. Velocity means speed with direction. Acceleration, when velocity exists, acceleration also exists. So now you should learn some formula, which are the basic formula to calculate and solve your problems. Okay, first is speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. So the units for distance meter, time, seconds if you take in kilometer, it is kilometer per hour. So now what is the formula to calculate time? Time is equal to distance by speed interchanged. So for time, units are second, minutes, hour. So next, to calculate distance, distance is equal to speed into time. That means in meter or kilometer. Next, coming to acceleration. For acceleration, initial velocity will have final velocity. So acceleration means delta u by t, it is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time period. Final velocity, initial velocity by time period. This is acceleration. So this formula are the basic, and these are very much important to solve your problems. Okay, today I am ending up this class, and if you want online classes, you can contact me. My number will be there in the description. Okay, thank you.